Quantity. Nail glitter flakes have 8 different shapes, each shape come with a small plastic box protecting it from spilling out. Enough glitter powder can meet the needs of your DIY nail arts. Height quality. Shining nail glitter powder are made of high-quality materials, which safe to wear on the skin. Also can be used with hair gel or glitter primer to keep your sparkles stay longer, easy to remove with water. Easy to use, suitable for professionals or beginners. Nail glitter set perfect for natural or artificial nails. And can be combined with all UV gel nail polish, dip powder, and all nail powders. Multiple usage. Nail glitters flakes set is very suitable for 3D nail art, flat nail art, arts crafts, Christmas decorations, face, body, fingernails, cell phone case, invitation card, toenails, etc. Guarantee. Any questions will be answered within 24 hours, and 100% money back guarantee if items are damaged or with serious quality problem. Top reviews from the United States. Sticks really well. I absolutely love this product. I will be posting pictures of my finished product. Awesome for nail art. The sparkle is so nice. They are on the small side.